ourselves to and keep things handy. This is the another things. I'm going to take it in Excel also one by one now. So some of them are like a make sure who are your service providers, so they should know whom to speak with. Insurance details, very important. Assets can be mutual fund, bank, FD, stocks, lockers, PF, gold, jewelry, whatever. Real estate, loans, will, trust, POA, documents, and payment. So these are the things which is very, very important. So this is the Excel which we normally have it. We try to do it when we are been making a will and other things. So, but it is good to keep it handy and make sure some of the person is aware of. So there are many slides and sheet I have made it. Keep it for you. It is good. So first is about you, then talks about your all the insurance companies, whatever you have it, different policies, and also they will say what are the company, the policy numbers, what are the different types of insurance you have, what is a cover. Cover is a sum assured. Sum assured is like if something happened, how much money it is, what is the maturity detail. These can help you not only for the inventory, but it is making us everything into one part of it. So most of the time when we do a lot of family office work or we are taking care of any of the will creation, we ask all these things because we have to write it. So you can write yourself and make sure that everything is in a one place. These is very important. So all the properties, your address, the name, sale date, lender, if you have a loan, share certificates on those nominees, mutual funds, equity, debt, and stocks. You don't have to fill it. Your NSDL or CSDL will be able to help you out to get all the details. I will, when the next summary sheet, I will tell you how to just get it NSDL or CSDL. If you don't have a stocks, you can, it's called CAS, Consolidated Account Statement, which comes, give you all the mutual funds, that will take care of everything. Then post office detail, a lot of people do have a post office, NSCs, or they have MIS, please take care. Very important part is a bank. So many times bank nominees not. So this is another case I am handling now. The person has got married. She's, I don't know, very young. I didn't ask the name also. And she says, Rachna, my husband passed away 3 months back. And what happened? I have got the sum assured for the life insurance from the company, but I am not able to get whatever investment he has done. He used to keep calling me to tell me that these are the investments and all, and I felt no, he is good at, so you continue. Now I realize because he started his DMAT much before the wedding time, and that time he has kept his mom as a nominee. Now my mom-in-law is somehow not keeping okay to give me the money, so that I have to fight as a case to get back my investment. Even my investment also is to do it by through his DMAT account. So that is a very sometime important. The bank and the thing nominee was on the right time. So it's good to know. Please find it out. Please after this webinar, it's easier at least in NSDL, CSDL. It says that what are the your nominees are, what are your email IDs and the mobile numbers and others. Otherwise, find it out with the statements that those are there or not, or those are the right people whom you wanted to give. Debit card and the credit card details. Locker details, very important. This is another things we are facing an issue. Somebody told that they have a locker, but nobody knows its locker key, where the locker key is. And to go back to the find it out, they don't have, it's a big process as a how to break the locker. So you have to do, instead of breaking, you have to go to the police case and other things and find it out. Then bank has to take a permission and open the bank, which is the third party. PPF details. If you have given like a chit funds or a family friend or anybody, if you have given on a personal level loans or money or taken money, either ways. Any other investments, like I told you, a lot of people, they do chit funds and other things. You have done the lending. So loan detail is very important. Then known loans, which is of course you will know have a EMI, and things which you have not been having a structured loan, like nowadays a lot of people are having P2P lending and other things, they do that. So credit and debit card together. This is very important. A will you have written, whose name, who is executor, and where you have kept it. Very, very important. We should know and write it across and find it out. POA is another thing, power of attorney. If you have given anybody power of attorney, this is the case not now, very long back. That's why if you notice nowadays, a lot of people have stopped taking power of attorney for a selling of the properties, because a lot of people sometimes has misused the power of attorney. So sometimes we should be knowing, and that's why nowadays when somebody writes the power of attorney, they write the reasoning. What is the reason for power of attorney? So you can use only for that part of it, not to use a generic power of attorney for all the execution. Very important if you are giving across, but make sure that it will be taken care of. Then this is very important, all the documents. So at least what we have done it in our house, of course, you can put it into the any of the DigiLock kind of things and all. Because we keep getting it like a passport, election cards, ration, because they keep asking in different places. So we have kept it in one of the a place, and we have done the our password protected and kept it, so anybody in our house can move it across and give it these details are very important. Apart from this, I don't know you all have it or not, but in at least in Bangalore I know we have like a Apollo card. So you should, even if you have to go to the Apollo, they always ask what is your patient IDs and other things like that. So we, all those hospital cards numbers also we keep it in a one places. Very important part when we are required for an emergency part of it. These documents, scan it, more than a number, they need a scan. So scan it and keep it in one side. So anybody can utilize those. Very important part. Then we are talking about advisor portal. If you have any of the portals which you use it for a share, trading, mutual funds, anything, you can just put it across when you have paid the last tax and other details. These are the things which are not much necessary, but it is good to have it. It's like a good to have kind of it. All the bills which is linked to which company, because this is one of my learning, and that's the best part. I love to do it in webinar or something, how I can help others. So this was a person, she says that now I have never done any bank transaction, and she's very well educated. My husband takes care of anything. Of course, he was a CFO. So she told me, and can you tell me how to link my water and gas bills or my mobile bills to ECS? Okay. So sometimes she said, I don't know which bank it is linked. I don't know how to link. So these are the smaller things which we learn over the period. But yes, how to handle it, it is good to keep it all this linked and known about it. If you have any other accounts, if somebody should know or close it, it is, of course, these are social media, email, and other things. Very important. Very, very important, which I have not written in this, but it is written in a presentation. Make sure you know at least wherever they're working, their HR or somebody, I'm sure your person who may be boss or the mentor or something. So in case of things, you are able to get in touch from the employer side and get all the details. And they will 100%, I'm sure they are very, very helpful and taking care of. But yes, we need to inform them and take care of those. So that's very important to make sure that we have this data in one place. It's okay, I can say you take your own sweet time to fill it up, or you can divide between you and your spouse to fill it data. But these data putting together is an amazing thing. I have done it, and I'm telling you, it is not only helping you in your overall. Sometimes you will realize, oh, I have this also, I have that. So most of the time when I do financial planning, it comes like that only. Oh, I forgot to tell you this, because when they start going through the questions in the financial planning data sheet, or then they realize that I have, like here I have not mentioned when I was talking about stocks, but you can write it like if you have the any of I can say ESOPs and other things, how they have been international funds, international properties. So here when I'm writing property, I mean across the globe perspective.
Today, Mr. Anil Rigo is one of the most well-known financial advisors in the country.
Anil
Anil Rego, CEO and founder of Right Horizons.
And I'm getting Anil Rego, founder and CEO of Right Horizons, who joins us right
From
now.
a Bangalore studio, Anil Rego, CEO, founder, Right Horizons.